version of Senator Shehu Buba Umar Must Excel. In this class, if you have been following our class, you know that we are coming up with solution to various questions on the previous WAEC and NECO exam, just to make sure that we groom up our upcoming graduating students to be familiar with the nature of NECO and WAEC questions. In regard to this class, we are now solving question 3B of NECO 2024. The question 3B says that the interior angle of a hexagon are x plus 5 degree, 2x plus 4 degree, x plus 10 degree, 2x plus 2 degree, 3x plus 2 degree, and x plus 15 degree. That we should find the value of x. All the x that you are seeing here, these are what we are going. This is what we are going to find in this question. We are going to find the value of x. As I told you earlier on, if a question was given to you in mathematics, or if a question is given to you in mathematics, the first thing that's supposed to come into your mind is to be able to remember which topic this question comes from. The topic the question comes from. If you are able to remember the topic, then the next thing is to know the guiding rules governing that particular topic. Now, if you look at this topic, we know that this topic comes up from polygon. Then polygon is a shape that has a certain number of sides. For example, when we talk of the member of polygon comprises of pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, up to decagon. Now, pentagon is a shape that has a 5-side object, a 5-side shape object. Now, any shape that has 5 sides is known as pentagon, followed by hexagon in the series. Hexagon is a shape that has 6 sides. Since we are able to know where the topic comes from, then this is the guiding rules. The formula is this: number of sides minus 2 times 180. This is the formula for the interior angle of any member of polygon. Since we are dealing with hexagon, the n stands for 6, because number of sides for hexagon is 6. Instead of n, now we put 6 minus 2, close bracket, times 180 equals to 6 minus 2 is 40. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720. Means, after solving everything, the interior angle of a regular hexagon is summed up to be 720 degrees. Now, let's go to where we are going to find our x. These are the interior angle. And don't forget, we are summing up x plus 5 comes first, 2x, this, they follow. We sum up everything. And don't forget, the summation of the interior angle of the irregular hexagon is supposed to give us 720 degrees. That is why we say if you sum them up like this, it is giving us 720 degrees. It is giving us what? 720 degrees. This is what we are going to sum up to give us 720. Therefore, we are going to sum up the terms in x. That is the terms in what? X. X here plus 2x plus x plus 2x plus 3x plus x is giving us 10x. That is 1x plus 2x, 3x, plus 1x, 4x, plus 2x, 6x, plus 3x, 9x, plus 1x, 10x. This is our 10x. Therefore, the terms without x, that is the constant term. 5 plus 4, 9, plus 10, 19, plus 2, 20, plus 2, plus 2, 21, plus 2, 23, plus 15, I'm coming, 5 plus 4, 9, plus 10, 19, plus 2, 21, plus 2, 23, plus 15, 38. Plus 15 is 38. If plus 15 is 38, it's no longer 28. Plus 15 is 38. Plus 15 is what? 38. 2. If we subtract 38 from 720, you are going to have 600 and what? Subtract 38 from 720, you are going to have 688. 688. You divide both sides by 10, the angle will be, therefore your x will be 68.8. Our x will be 68.8. This is the value of x as far as this summation is concerned. Our x will be 68.8. This is the solution for question B using English version of this class as it become obligation to us. Any question being solved using Hausa, we must solve that question using English, just to make sure that the question cut across national and international boundaries. The excess of the English version is for the senator being the chairman Senate Committee on Security and Intelligence. We know quite alright that he is representing Nigeria as a whole. That is why we decided to use the official language of the autonomous country to make the senator or add to the familiarities of the senator toward the entire people of Nigeria. If you appreciate this, pray and may God help the senator, especially in all his upcoming ambitions. Thank you, and let us meet in our next class.